Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration YS16UGW. 2016 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 DTCi 125 PS Low Roof DCab Limited Van L1. It has done 75,000 miles with full service history. It is a factory-fitted crew cab. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. This black SWB factory-fitted crew cab has it all: full service history, one of the last 2.2s, facelift front bumper done, and finished in Panther Black. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available, and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.